Okay, first thing we need to do is enable editing, like so. Okay, step number 3, insert and modify a picture. On slide 1, insert the Placer Hill Sold To picture downloaded from the resources link. So we go to insert and pictures, and I downloaded it to the downloads folder, and here it is. I'll click on insert. Okay, crop the picture on the left and right. So first thing I'm going to do is kind of move it over to roughly where it needs to be. Okay, and that all that does is resize it. What we want to do is we want to, let's see, crop. So we'll take this and bring it in a little ways. Exactly where to bring it into is a little bit of a guess. And I'm thinking it should be about there, maybe around through there. And then on this side, bring it in to probably about there. Okay, resize the picture, height 5.5 inch. So we'll change this to 5.5, like so. Okay. Alright, so there it's cropped. Apply the rounded diagonal corner, white picture style. So I'm going to drag this over a little bit, and let's see. The rounded one. That looks about right. Rounded diagonal corner, white, yeah, that's it. So we'll click that one. Position the picture on the right of the slide. Okay, I already kind of did that, but you may need to reposition this slightly depending on where yours is at. Step number 4, insert a chart showing how fixed mortgage rates have changed over time. Display slide number 4. Okay, click the insert chart button. Okay, so we just click that. Okay, select the line chart type. Okay, and then select the line with markers. Okay, and then click OK. Alrighty, replace the worksheet data with the data in table 2-16 starting with the column headings. Okay, so I want to make this a little bigger so it's a little easier to see. And so here we have certain years. Get rid of that. Let's see, it's every 5 years. So we start with 1978, 1983, 1988, 1993, 1998, 2003, 2008, 2013, 2018. Okay, and here I'll say rate 9.64, 13.24, 10.34, 7.31, 6.94, 5.83, 6.03, 3.98, and 4.03 points. 4.3, 2.1, 2.1, 1.6, 1.1, 0.6, 0.6, 0.7, 0.5, and we're just going to get rid of D. Click delete. Okay, there we go. Okay, adjust the worksheet. Be sure the selection area includes row 10 to avoid error messages. Okay. It seems to have all the data from 78 to 2018. Close the worksheet. Okay, I closed it prematurely. Examine the line chart as it first appears, and that looks about right for what we see in figure 2-161. Delete the chart title, so click here and then press delete. That's step number 7. Step number 8, select the chart area and change the shape fill to brown. Okay, shape fill. Let's try format, shape fill, and we want it to be brown. Third color, first row. Verify that the fill color has been applied to the chart area, not the smaller plot area. Brown, background 2. Okay. Okay, should be the chart area, not the smaller plot area. So I think that's referring to, I think I want to undo that, and I think it doesn't mean the back. Okay, I think it means all of that, so let's just do that. If we need to change it later, we will. Okay, 9, format the line and markers on the rate series. So select the rate line. Rate line is this one. And right click, select format data series. Okay. Click the open fill and lines. We click this. Okay. Click the fill and line icon. Okay, we already did that. Click line options and change the width to 3 point. Okay. Like so. Click marker options. Okay. Marker options built in. Built in. Circle. Okay, that looks like circle. Okay. Color. Weight size 15. Okay. For the fill, we want solid fill. We want the color to be orange. Accent 2. Okay, orange accent 2. Okay, step number 10, format the line and markers on the point series. Select the line, points line. Okay, click line options. And select the following. We want the line to be a solid line. We want the color to be orange. Accent 4. Okay. We want the width to be 3. Okay. Select marker. Alright. Marker options, we want it to be built in. Okay. We want it to be diamond. Looks like diamond. And we want the size to be 20. Okay. Marker fill, we want solid fill. We want the color to be red. Accent 5. Okay. Step number 11, close the format data series pane. So go up here. Step number 12, select the horizontal category access and increase the font size to 18 and apply bold. So the horizontal is these guys down here, and we will increase the font size to 18. Okay, and apply bold. Okay, I'm going to repeat for the vertical. So 18, bold. Okay, step number 13, select the chart area. Okay. Change the width to 11. Okay. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Change the width to 11. I need to select this outer part, not the inner part there. This needs to be 11. Okay. And we need to change the select align center. Position. Height, width. Okay, alignment. There we go. There it is. So click on alignment and we want align center. There we go. Move the chart up slightly to make room for a source notation at the bottom of the slide. So we're going to take this and drag it up just a little bit. Okay, insert a text box. Let's go to insert and text. There we go. Let's put it down here somewhere. Okay. And type the following on 2 lines with the web address on the second line. So we'll say information based on Freddie Mac survey data. And what I'm going to do is move this over like that. And actually I'm going to move this up just a little bit because we're going to have to get 2 lines of data on here. Okay, see what happens. Okay, we do it that way. And give a URL, www.freddiemac.com, pms30.html. Position the text box below the chart on the right. So actually, let's make this a little smaller. And we'll move this over to where it aligns pretty much with that side of the chart, right side. Okay, step 15, insert and format a table. So now we will select for display slide 5 and insert a table with 5 columns and 3 rows. 5 columns, 3 rows. Type the text in table 2-17 beginning with column headings. Clone 200,000. It says, note, do not press enter to split the lines of text in the header row of the table. The text will wrap to the next line automatically as you type. Okay. We won't worry about that right now. So we'll type rate here. Number of payments. Monthly payments. Principal plus interest. Okay. And then total paid. So down here we will write 15 year fixed. And here 30 year fixed. Rate is 3.64. 4.31. Number of payments 180. 360. 1444. 991. Total paid 259. 920. 356. 760. Okay. Select all text and change the font size to 24. So grab all of this, go to home, change this to 24. Okay. And adjust column width as needed to match 2-17. So we'll move this over a little bit. Rate will move over a little bit. Number Number of payments will move over a little bit. Move it over a little bit more because it needs to look a little more like that. And then we'll move this over like that. Okay, that's a little too much. So take it, move it back just a little bit more, little bit more. Okay. All right. Do that, and let me may need to adjust this a little bit more. Okay, move this one back just a hair. Move this one back just a hair, a little bit more. Okay, let's start over here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so you just got to fiddle with this. Okay. So you just got to keep fiddling with it till you get it right. Now to me, I would have just left it the way it was at the beginning. Okay, so that's pretty close. So let's just leave that right there. Actually, this could be moved over just a little bit more. About like that. So I'll adjust this a little bit more. There we go. Adjust this one a little bit more. Trying to get it to match what it looks like on the instructions. Just a little bit more. There we go. Then move this over. A little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. That's pretty close. Okay. So we'll just leave it like that. Okay. Select columns 2 through 5 and change to center alignment. Oops, actually there's a mistake here. I didn't see this here, so actually we need to move this over just a little bit more. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. There we go. That's pretty close. Okay. All right, select the first row. Okay. Needs to be all of this. And apply align bottom. Okay, and change the shading to gold. Gold accent 1. Darker. Okay. And then we want to choose align middle. Okay. And center alignment. Okay. All right. Okay. Actually, I'll move this over just a hair. Okay. All right. insert a text box. So type home price. Okay, so let's insert a text box. So let's just put it here. And we want to type home price 250,000 through dash down payment 50 payment $50,000. Who has $50,000 for a down payment, which is 20%? Change the font size to 32. So let's select all of this, insert or home, font size 32, and apply bold. Okay, align the text box in the horizontal center above the table. Okay, so what I'm going to do is move this down a little bit so I can move this down a little bit. Let's do that. Now grab this, pull it up to the top. Okay, step number 17. Click the icons button and select the buildings group. Select and insert the first house icon, fourth icon, first row. Select the icons button. Okay, here's the icons button. And select the buildings group. Gotta wait for it to load. We want the buildings group. Okay, buildings. Select, insert the first house icon, fourth icon, first row. Okay. Okay, I'll move this over. So change the graphics fill to red. So let's look at graphics fill red, accent 5, darker 25. Accent 5, darker 25, okay. Change the height and width to 1.5. Okay. Position the house icon on the left beside the home price text box. So I'm move this over a little bit more, and I'm going to move this up like that. And actually, I'm going to move this over even a little bit more so I can position that like that. Okay, insert another text box. Type the following text on 3 lines. Okay, that's step number 18. So go to insert, text box. Okay, and we'll type loan cost only, loan cost only, add taxes and insurance costs. Okay, lender rates are influenced, influenced by credit scores. plan for a 20% down payment to avoid cost of points. Okay. Verify that the font color is white. Text 1. So let's select all of that. And font color white. Text 1. Okay, it is. Position this text below the table on the right. Okay. Actually, this may need to be moved over here a little bit more. And then we'll move this over like so. Okay. Okay, now looking a little further down below step 22, it shows us how this should be laid out. Something similar to this. Okay. All right, step number 19, insert a list to a smart art graphic display, slide 6. Okay, select the bulleted text. And convert it to a smart art with a vertical curve list layout. Vertical list layout. And it would be nice if they tell us which one it was. Vertical bullet list, vertical curve list. Okay, let me click here. So vertical curve list layout. So let me scroll down through here a little bit. Okay, I think it's that one. Okay, vertical curve list layout. Okay, resize the smart art on the right so it fits to the longest line of text. So we'll grab this and drag it in to about there. Okay. Step number 20, apply the following changes to the smart art graphic. Change the colors to colorful range, accent colors 2 to 3. Colors, change colors. And we want colorful range, second option. Accent colors 2 to 3. Okay, there we go. Apply the moderate effect. Smart style. Moderate effect. Okay. Select all of the white circles and apply 3 changes. Okay, so I'm going to hold down Shift and select each one of these. Okay. Shape fill. Okay, it's probably under format, shape fill. We want red. Accent 5. Darker 25. Okay. Shape outline. We want black. Background 1. Okay. be level. We want slant. Okay. Which one's slant? Okay, that one's slant. Okay. Okay. Position the smart art graphic evenly in the vertical space below the title. Okay, so from the graphic, they've kind of got it to where it's about there under the is. On buying is a huge decision. Apply the shape transition with the out effect option to all slides. So let's go to transitions and we want the shape transition. Okay, shape. Oh, where's the shape? I'm not seeing it, the shape transition. Let's see if I'm looking at the right thing. Let me go back. Transitions. Yes, I think I'm in the right place. Shape. There it is. I went past it. So there's the shape, and we want to apply to all with the out effect. So we want to go here to the out, and then we want to apply to all slides. Okay. All right, we'll save it, and that's it.